Interested in receiving the Brights template custom Google Sites, this is what it looks like when you purchase it. 24 to 48 hours after your purchase, you'll receive a link to your own editable version of this site. It comes preloaded with grade levels kindergarten through 5th grade, so you'll just delete the ones you do not need. It also comes preloaded with these 4 clickable buttons that go to the 4 pages of your site. Meet the Teacher. You can add your own photo here and edit the text. You can also add some additional information if you want to. Google Classroom. You can add links here. You can sync your Google Classroom calendar, or you could just add links if you wanted to. Student Showcase. Here you'll be able to add either like a student of the week or featured work from your students if you wanted to. And then I also made a Parents tab. Here you can add schedules, classroom policies, links for them to check your online gradebook, anything you need for parents. So you may be wondering, how easy is this to edit? So I'm going to show you that very quickly. After you purchase, you will get a Google link in your email, and this is what it's going to look like. So you can hover over and delete the elements you don't need. So we're going to say I was a 3rd grade teacher, so I'm just going to delete these extra grade levels so that I am only keeping the 3rd grade one. How simple was that? If you want to edit your Meet the Teacher page, you just click on Meet the Teacher. You can come right in here and type in your name. You can change the fonts if you want to. You can hover over the picture and just upload a new one. Same thing down here. You can upload new pictures. All of this is editable. You can add additional boxes in the sidebar if you need to. All pages are editable. So your Google Classroom, here I have just entered a generic calendar, but you could come over here to the sidebar and add Google Slides, Google Sheets, anything you need. The Showcase, click in here, change the text, add pictures. Again, you could add additional slides. If you don't want the slides, like if I have added too many, you can come in and delete. It is so simple. And when you purchase this Google Sites template, you really just get a jump start on a really beautiful, simple site. If you need a custom option, feel free to send me an email with your ideas and we can work on making these custom for you as well. Contact me for pricing.